Does garlic truly hold the secret to better health, or is it just another culinary myth? Today, we'll delve into the world of this wonderful bulb and find out. First off, garlic is no ordinary kitchen ingredient. It's a potent medicinal plant that's been used since the beginning of recorded history. Thanks to its sulfur compounds, garlic doesn't just add flavor to your meals, it also offers a plethora of health benefits. Despite being low in calories, garlic is incredibly nutrient-dense. It's a good source of vitamins C and B6, manganese, selenium, and fiber. Incorporating garlic into your daily diet can boost your immune system, helping you fend off common illnesses like the cold. Moreover, garlic is a natural ally for those with high blood pressure. It's been shown to help lower blood pressure levels, contributing to overall heart health. Additionally, it improves cholesterol levels by reducing LDL, also known as the bad cholesterol. But the benefits of garlic don't stop there. This powerful bulb is packed with antioxidants that protect against cell damage and aging. Some studies even suggest that garlic could potentially increase longevity and enhance athletic performance. Garlic also aids in detoxification, supporting your body's natural cleansing processes. While more research is needed, early findings indicate that garlic may help prevent bone loss, at least in animal studies. Beyond its health benefits, garlic is simply delicious and versatile. It can enhance a wide variety of dishes, from savory main courses to sauces and soups. The culinary possibilities are truly endless. We'd love to hear your favorite garlic recipes. Share them in the comments below and explore the diverse culinary potential that garlic has to offer. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. Embrace the power of garlic in your daily meals for a healthier and tastier life. Have a wonderful day and remember, breathe easy, my friend.